Modi ji just exposed the AI's biggest blind spot at the France AI Summit. And you can try it yourself right now. Take a look at this video.
If you ask the same app to draw an image of someone writing with their left hand, the app will most likely draw someone writing with the right hand.
We tried it ChatGPT, Gemini, Meta AI, and Grok with one simple prompt. Generate an image of someone writing with their left hand. And guess what? Every single one failed. All right handed writers, not even one got it right. And here's why AI learns from millions of photos online, and most of them show right handed writers. That's a built in bias, exactly what Modi ji warned us about. AI isn't smarter than us. It learns what we do even when we are wrong. Go on, try it yourself and let me know if your AI can finally get it right. That's AI explained the Mithila way.